Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. I literally just got back from the movies, started filming, started editing my video and realized I didn't have an intro. So I'm just quickly filming this here on my iPhone, and that's about it. So I just go through showing you how I do my nails, how I transfer them from my Halloween nails into these, and that's pretty much about it. I know I'm not a nail tech, but this is just what I do for fun. I'll try to link everything below. I do know a few things about nails from my sister, or from watching videos. I watch so many different nail tech YouTubers just because I just started doing them. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Alright guys, let's start off. So these are my Halloween nails. These are the second set I did. I'll insert a photo here of the nails I previously did for my Halloween, which were actually two different sets, two different times. I really enjoyed these nails. They were super fun, but it's time for them to go, and let's move on before we start our Christmas nails. I usually just clean my nails first with a little bit of alcohol, and that's just how I begin. And then I actually just bought these. These are a new like carbide bit or ceramic bit nail drill tips. And this one I'm going to use. My nail drill is Model Susie. I got it on Amazon, which will be linked below. And I just begin filing away. I probably had this around 16,000 RPMs, 20,000 I think. I'm pretty sure that's close to around like what I have my nail drip nail speed on. Oh my god, can't speak today. And yeah, so just begin filing it off, and I realized I was making a whole lot of mess. I don't have one of those trays yet, like those vacuum trays, but I think I'm going to get one. So I just put some paper down, and then I begin filing again to remove all this gel polish. After I finish filing, I go in with a nail file just to remove any of the excess polish that's just around the cuticle area and along the nail line, which makes it easier and helps with my overall shaping. These nails weren't too bad, so my fill is not going to be too heavy. I'm using this small cuticle bit just to go around the area of my cuticles, smoothing them out. This one isn't super abrasive, so I can use it directly on my skin. I also use this cuticle pusher to push back anything that's like a little extra thick from the last time I filled that wasn't 100% perfect. And then I go back in again with that flame bit, or not flame bit, but cuticle bit, just to clean everything up. And then I go in with some cuticle nippers to get rid of all the little bit of extra skin. I still have to work on my technique with my cuticles, but I'm getting there. Then with this cone bit, I just file underneath my nails to help continue the shape, which I do this again after I fill as well, just to help remove any extra thickness. So that's what they look like. I'm going to clean up, and we're moving on to the fill. So the products I used is the Venalisa hard gel, and this is a tinted one that I'm almost out of. I use a bonder primer and then a base coat. And I also have my top coat there. I have all these things I want to use, so these stampers, but they're not 100% going to work, which you'll see me switch it up soon. And the gel I'm using is a tinted one, and I absolutely love this color. I find it so natural with my skin tone. So after I put my primer and base coat on, I'm just going in with the hard gel and filling just next to the cuticle to make sure I have a good apex, which is the apex is what you want to keep your nails nice and strong. So I just use like a kind of back and forth like circly motion to apply my gel, and then I swipe it onto the rest of the nail just to smoothen it. Because I don't need thickness on the rest of it, and if things look weird, I'll just file it after because I'm still working. This nail has a previous amount of like glitter and stuff because I tried doing an inlay for my first set of Halloween nails. and I never just removed the whole nail because I just didn't want to. Maybe next time that's what I'm going to do, but for now I'm just filling right over it, and that's about it. And I continue that with all my nails, and I do a flash cure in between all of them. So after I do the whole hand, as I've done here, I'm going to file and shape before I move on to the other hand. I just find it easier to do one at a time comparing doing them like both hands together, and then you have to worry about stickiness and everything. So just one at a time, file, shape, fill. This song by Ed Sheeran is so nice. I absolutely love it, so I just had to add it into my library there. So after I clean off the nails, I go in with my nail drill bit, as I said before. As they got all shapened up, I'm going to square them off a little bit more. But as you can see, some of them are really thick, so I'm just going to file off from underneath because I like the shape from the side, which is more straight, and the kind of like tapered square that I prefer. Also for coffin, but I'm going for more of a tapered square right now. So I was trying to see which polish I'm going to use next, and so there's this beautiful like dusty purple that was from Venalisa, and I liked it. I really did. I tried to start with it, but it just didn't work out. And then I tried using Stamper with this mud gel, and that was a total bust. It didn't work out as best as I thought it could. So I'm definitely gonna need to get some stamping polishes or use a regular one. They just one pickup, so I decided that I was gonna try to draw it on myself, and that still didn't work. So this is my next design. I decided to go in with a blue polish and then do a gold flake and with a little bit of a marble. So after testing out this blue again, which I've used before, I decided to coat my thumb, pointer finger, and my pinky in it. And this polish is so pigmented, so definitely be careful if you purchase this one. Very pigmented, really only need one coat, but I still did 2 on my nails. So for the marble nail, I put down a base coat first, and then without curing it, I then took a brush with some white, that purple color we actually used the first time, the blue, and a little bit of a gray, and kind of just marbled it all together to create like this, well, a marble effect. So that's all I did. And I did want to cure the base coat because I want like the polishes to mix together well without having to be like too like strong, if that makes sense. I want it to be more flowy. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, that's what I continue to do, and just layer it up to make it look exactly the way I want. Add another coat of polish onto my nails, and then we go in with the gold foil. And with that, I just put down a no wipe top coat first, just in those areas without curing, and then I applied the gold foil to those areas as best as I could. I'm still struggling. I could not find my tweezers, so I had to do the best I could with this brush. I top coat all my nails, and then I move on to the second hand, and that's pretty much it. Both my nails are done now. I cleaned them up, check over everything, and here we go. This is the finished nail look. I'm absolutely obsessed. I think it's gorgeous. The blue is a lot brighter than compared to here, but I hope you enjoyed.